It's going to be. I want your name and your badge number.
You know what? Put him in jail for resisting.
Imagine dedicating years to upholding the law, only to watch it all crumble in a single, disastrous moment. Welcome to Cams Don't Lie. In this video, we delve into the shocking events that lead to a corrupt cop's career unraveling. After fleeing from the police for miles at speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour, the first thing this inebriated officer said upon being stopped was shocking.
Hey, I'm a cop. Why you acting like that? I'm a cop.
The visibly intoxicated lieutenant refused to accept the gravity of his mistake in choosing to drive under the influence.
I'm not losing my career over you.
And I'm not losing my career either, so.
However, this incident pales in comparison to the actions of an ex-police officer who injured a disabled man without any justification. To provide context, let me introduce you to James Hodges, a legally blind resident of Lake City. On October 31st, 2022, Hodges was unjustifiably stopped, searched, harassed, and ultimately arrested during a simple daytime walk in his city. As an American veteran, he carried a walking stick in his back pocket, officially assigned to him as a medical aid, which should have clearly indicated his disability.
Hi there!
Hey.
What's this in your back pocket? I just saw you walking it.
It's a navigational aid. What's the problem? You a tyrant?
Yeah, I am actually. What's your name and date of birth?
I don't have to give that unless
Yes,
I'm
sir.
doing-
I was investigating.
You have reasonable,
Do you want me to
articulated
put you in
suspicion.
handcuffs right now? Yes, sir, I do.
What is your suspicion?
It looks like you're carrying a gun in your back pocket. I'm stopping to make sure you're carrying it properly. You don't
Have you
to.
ensured that it's not a firearm?
No, you keep turning so I can't see it. You don't have to be a dick to me.
Well, you're being one to me.
No, sir. I'm
Have a
doing my
good day.
job.
Am I detained?
Yeah, you are. What's your name and date of birth?
It does not matter.
Yes, sir, it does.
Do you have a crime?
Would you like me?
However, the policewoman mistook Hodges' navigational aid for a weapon. She approached him, asking about the object in his back pocket. Despite Hodges' explanations that it was a medical aid, the officer insisted it looked like a gun and demanded his name and date of birth. Frustration escalated as Hodges questioned the legality of the stop. In the U.S., including Florida, police need reasonable suspicion of criminal activity to stop someone. Once Hodges clarified that the object was a medical aid, the officer's suspicion should have been dispelled, highlighting the misunderstanding and tension in such encounters.
Call your
Put you in-
supervisor,
He's right
please.
here.
All right. What's she stop you for?
For a walking stick.
So,
And it could look like a weapon. She asked you to
Really?
present it, okay?
Now she's asking me for ID.
Okay.
I don't need the ID unless
Okay.
there's reasonable articulated suspicion
And her
that I have committed a crime and committing a crime
And
or
her-
about to do a crime.
Sir, and her suspicion was that you were armed, okay? And she's asking you for your ID.
Well, now
Okay.
she has verified that I am not armed.
Okay.
So there is no
You got
problem.
your ID or not?
I do have my ID, but you don't need it.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Hodges, aware of his rights, requested a supervisor upon being stopped for his walking stick being mistaken as a weapon. Despite clarifying that he hadn't committed a crime and shouldn't need to show ID, the supervisor insisted due to initial suspicion of being armed.
Son 7 Whiskey Mike detained. I don't know where his wallet is.
Where's your wallet at, sir? I don't have a wallet on me.
Okay, where's your ID?
Where's your ID? In my pocket. Which pocket? You are not allowed to search me.
It's in this pocket.
There you go.
Thank you.
I want your names and badge numbers.
1257 on Nick 65 Florida 27.
Yeah, 4427.
Preferably
Hotel
your cards.
322-457-61-2540.
This continued despite Florida law requiring ID only if suspected of a crime, culminating in a search without clear justification.
All right, Mr. Hodges. All right, let's go.
I want your name and badge number 2, sir.
Have a seat.
You want to pick my property up, please?
I sure will, after you have a seat.
You want to pull this out of my back pocket?
Sure. Here, I'll grab your jacket for you, too.
The encounter underscored ongoing issues of misunderstanding and potential overreach by law enforcement in such situations. Despite Mr. Hodges confirming he was unarmed, Officer Goad and Sergeant Harrison persisted in detaining and harassing him. Bodycam footage revealed officers reaching into Hodges' pocket without consent, conducting an illegal search. Moreover, Sergeant Harrison wrongfully handcuffed and arrested Hodges, who spent 26 hours in jail before being released. Following an investigation, both officers were disciplined with suspensions by the sheriff's office. This incident raised serious concerns about police conduct and respect for citizens' rights during interactions.
Hands up in the air!
Hands up in the air right now. Turn around, turn around. Turn around, do not face me. Turn around.
Just walk right here. Walk right here. Shut the f*** up. Get right over here. I don't give a f*** who you are. Get on your knees.
Hey, I'm a cop. Why you acting like that? I'm a cop.
Then you'll listen to me when I tell you to get on your f***ing knees.
Man, I'm a cop, bro.
Clear.
You used to work for Miami-Dade.
Why you acting like that, man?
Stand there. 10-11. One in custody.
I'm acting.
Be quiet. Don't say another word. You hear me?
All right.
Thank you.
It is what it is. I will notify.
What are we going to do? You want a rotation, or what are we going to do with the car?
We're going to do rotation.
Okay.
But everything that's agency related,
Yeah.
we need to take and store, because I don't want to be responsible for in-cars, firearms.
Yep. Yeah, if we can do them solid and let them know that they got all this shit here, if they have somebody local that can come and pick it up, so that, I mean, I don't mind doing the property receipt. That's not the reason. I'm just saying, it's got.
I don't even know what to do yet.
Yep.
Listen.
Yep, they slammed my head
Listen.
down on the cement. Yep.
Go back inside. Go back in the house. Go back in the house. Ain't nobody talking to you.
I got head trauma.
Go back in the house.
Yeah. Y'all bust my head down. Yeah, I've been in an accident. Yeah, y'all bust my head down. You threw me down.
I sure did.
and-
You wasn't listening.
Yeah. No, it ain't. You ain't to throw me down like that. I'm disability.
Okay.
I got head problems. Yup. You threw me down. Yup. You threw me down. You threw me down. Yup. You bust my head down on the cement. Bust my head down on the cement.
He was in front of the car when I came up. And he was walking like this.
Listen.
Can I get a card for me?
I don't have one now. We don't have. They don't give us cars.
Okay, what's your badge number?
1059.
Let me see if I can get my phone.
Hold on. We have cards. Okay. Thank you.
I can't. We're done with that.
No. We can't.
No.
So,
My bosses already know.
that's fine.
That's not fine. Step out of this vehicle right now.
Just let me go. Be a good guy.
I am being a good guy. Brian, out of this vehicle. I'm asking you nicely. I don't want to see anything worse happen. Okay?
No, just let me go.
Brian.
I will go sleep in the bushes.
You know, the next thing, I'm going to go hands-on with you.
No,
and you're going to go to jail for R&O. You want that.
No, I don't want that.
Out of this vehicle right now. I'm being very cooperative with you. Nice to you.
No, you're not. Because
My hands are tied.
No.
I cannot let someone go drunk.
And sleep it off. That's all I ask.
We're way past that point, Brian.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
I had multiple 911 calls.
No, that's why I'm saying.
You wouldn't have stopped. without me lighting you
Stop
up.
before you.
You wouldn't have stopped.
I stopped before you.
Yes, you did. You wouldn't have if I didn't get behind you.
Oh my gosh. How would I okay, just let
You
me,
know intoxication.
Just let me stop over and call it, okay?
I can't.
Do me a favor.
I can't.
Oh my god.
I'm not losing my career over you.
And I'm not losing my career either, so.
So, you doing exactly what you're doing is not helping your career out.
No, it's not. Well.
Thank you for watching this detailed account. The treatment of Mr. Hodges raises important questions about police procedures and respect for individual rights. If you found this story compelling, consider subscribing for more insightful videos on crime and mystery. Stay informed and engaged in understanding these critical issues. Your support helps shed light on incidents like these and encourages accountability in law enforcement. Thanks for watching.